Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code in gap and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step out understand error code contain error code in Grand Theft Auto Victor is primarily a network-related issue that signifies a failure to connect to Rockstar Games services. This error typically occurs when attempting to log into GTEF or join a session, or when the game client loses its connection to the game servers. It indicates that the game cannot establish or maintain a stable communication link with Rockstar's online infrastructure, often pointing towards a problem with your internet connection, a local network configuration, or an issue with the Rockstar servers themselves.
Check Rockstar server status. Content before attempting any local troubleshooting. The first crucial step is to verify the current status of the Rockstar Games servers. If the servers are experiencing downtime, undergoing maintenance, or facing widespread issues, no amount of local adjustment will resolve the error code alone. You can check the official Rockstar Games service status page online. Look for announcements on Rockstar Support's official Twitter account, or consult community forums and third-party server status websites to confirm if there are known problems affecting GTEF online services. If server issues are confirmed, you will need to wait for Rockstar to resolve them. Step to troubleshoot your network connection. Contain a significant portion of error code or instances are resolved by addressing local network problems. Begin by power cycling your router and modem. Unplug them for at least seconds, then plug them back in and wait for them to fully restart. If you are using Wi-Fi, try connecting your console directly to your router with an Ethernet cable to rule out wireless interference or instability. Ensure no other applications are hogging bandwidth. Large download streaming services on. Consider flushing your config flushes in command prompt and reviewing your IP address config release followed by ipconfig review. Also temporarily disable firewalls or antivirus software with caution to see if they are blocking this connection, and if so, create an exception for the game. Step would verify game files and launcher integrity. Contain corrupted game files or issues with the Rockstar Games Launcher itself can sometimes lead to connectivity errors, like for players. It is essential to verify the integrity of your the game files through your respective platform. If playing via Steam, right-click then your library, go to Properties, Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. If using the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to Settings, My Install Games, Grand Theft Auto. Verify integrity. Additionally, ensure both the game and the Rockstar Games Launcher are updated to their latest versions. You may also try restarting the Rockstar Games Launcher completely or clearing its cache, which can sometimes resolve persistent launcher connection issues.
Step advanced troubleshooting and contact support. Content if error code persists after following the previous steps, consider more advanced network troubleshooting. This could include changing your servers to public ones like Google's or Cloudflare, other than your network adapter settings. You might also temporarily try connecting via a virtual private network to see if the issue is related to your internet service provider's routing. If the game connects with a net suggests an specific problem as a last resort, reinstalling the entire game can fix deeply rooted file corruption. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your troubleshooting steps, network configuration, and screenshots of the error. Then contact Rockstar Games Support directly for personalized assistance.